Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to simply fix any Netflix issues on your Google Smart TV by simply update your Netflix app on your Google Smart TV. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Then from home page here, we have to make sure we go back to setting icon again and we click on OK. The next thing we want to do here is to make sure that we update our Netflix app from Google Play Store. So how do we access our Google Play Store? So once you get to setting right here, scroll down until you get to apps. Click on OK. Then it's take you right here. Next thing you need to do to scroll down and make sure you click on see all apps. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do to scroll down, continue to scroll down, continue to scroll down, and until you get to show system apps. Click on that. Then it's going to take you right here. Then scroll down, continue to scroll down right here, continue to scroll down, scroll down, continue to scroll down, continue to scroll down until you get to Google Play Store. So here we go. Click on Google Play Store right here. So I'm going to click on Google Play Store. Next thing you need to do is to click on Open. Then here we go. Now the next thing you want to do here is to make sure you navigate to Netflix, or better still, if you cannot see Netflix from the home screen right here, simply make use of search icon from the top right here. So just come to the search right here and type in Netflix in the search bar right here. So just type in Netflix. So in case you do not see it from the home page, search for Netflix. So you can see by just typing letter N, Netflix pump up right here. The next thing you need to do here is to make sure you navigate to update right here. Simply click on update, and in a few seconds, the update is going to start. So after a successful update, it's going to turn to open. Next thing you need to do now is to simply click on open. And here you go. Your Netflix is going to open without any stress, and you enjoy latest movies and some of the new features as far as your Netflix account is concerned. For more tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.